Hey everyone, first off I want to thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. In today's video we will be talking about Hagrid's magical creature motorbike adventure. Whoa, that's a mouthful. Try to say that 10 times fast. And don't worry, all are welcome, including muggles. Now let's get into it. Welcome to the magic. I said, welcome to the magic. Why is it so dark in here? Lumos! That's better. This may be the most highly themed coaster you have ever experienced. This ride combines a new level of storytelling and innovative coaster technology, including an actual forest with more than 1,200 live trees. I sure hope they aren't whomping willows. You will join Hagrid, one of the most beloved characters in the Harry Potter films, on the back of a motorcycle or the adjacent sidecar as you get a chance to fly to one of the most mysterious places in the wizarding world, the Forbidden Forest. There is a 48-inch height requirement for this ride, so no gnomes allowed. Why don't you go back to Slytherin house, you little Malfoy? As this coaster reaches speeds of 50 miles an hour, you will have the chance to meet some of the wizarding world's rarest magical creatures, such as a majestic centaur, a swarm of mischievous Cornish pixies. What? Huh? Get away. Fluffy the three-headed dog, and a creature that's never been seen in the films. My sources say it's a blast-ended screw, which has a scorpion-like tail and will shoot fire out of its blast end. That doesn't sound good. It should see a doctor, maybe a veterinarian. Ooh, Newt Scamander. At one point in the ride vehicle and the track will drop down to a new track. I'm not really a fan of roller coasters, but I really want to go on this one. Well, that's it today, my fellow wizards. Please remember to like and subscribe. You can subscribe by hitting the red bell icon. And remember to share with all your muggle friends. Again, thank you so much. And this is Hazen, signing out for DizKid News. And always remember, don't let the nargles get you down. Mang, mang, mang. I don't know what that really made me happy. Okay. Yep. What are you guys doing here? It's over. Go home. It's over.